What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy, the Big Dog, Aaron Fail, aka your brand new Universal Champion, AJ Reigns. And today, it's a Wrestlemania seasons of unboxing videos. Alright, the first person I'm gonna unbox is Jeff Hardy. Top picks. As you see in the back, alright, got Jeff Hardy, Seth Rollins, AJ Styles, and John Cena. It's Jeff Hardy. You're going to get it from ringsidecollectibles.com. Alright, let's get them open. Let's get Jeff Hardy out of the packaging. Get my packaging. Wow, it's my first time having Jeff Hardy. Come on, Jeff Hardy, get out there. Alright. Goodbye, packaging. Well, I like the head sculpt of Jeff Hardy. See, so Jeff Hardy has his light blue and black attire. Jeff Hardy's been injured since like 2018 or 2019. I can say 2019. But he's been injured all year. But I like the hair. I like his outfit. Oh, he also has a tattoo on his hand. See you guys? It's Jeff Hardy. Well, I'll be right back, you guys. Just give me a second. I gotta go grab a scissors. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna move Jeff Hardy. I'm gonna move you right there. Move Jeff Hardy. The next person to unbox, is the Mr. Monday Night Messiah, the Beast Slayer, Seth Rollins, also top picks. As you see in the back is Seth Rollins right there with AJ Styles himself. And Braun Strowman, Finn Balor. That's actually the same words since my other Seth Rollins. Alright, let's get Mr. Monday Night Messiah out of the packaging. Alright, it's kind of hard for me to open the packages. So let's start that side. Yes, see you guys, it's way easier to open it. The package is starting to rip. But, whatever. Hold on, guys. Try to get this package open. Alright, there you go. Yes, now the package is open. Goodbye, packaging. First, we gotta get the hands out. We gotta get his hands out first. He comes with his t-shirt. And get the shirt out first. Oh, come on, Seth. Wait. Those plastic things on him? Nope, I don't think so. Okay. Also, let's get him open. It's kind of hard for me to open him. Come on. Alright, now I got Seth Rollins out of the packaging. So Seth Rollins comes with his green attire. This back at SummerSlam 2016 where he battled against Finn Balor for the Universal Championship. Let's see, let's look at that head sculpt. Wow, I kind of like that head sculpt of Seth Rollins. And look, you can see his tattoo on the back. And you know, he comes with his hands and shirt. Move back there. The next one I have. Oh God! I knocked him over. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. All right, there you go. Next package unbox. Cesaro and Sheamus, the bar. Let's look at the back. Oh, you got Sheamus and Cesaro. There's Stone Cold and Goldberg. There's Sasha Banks and Alexa Bliss. Alright, let's get them open. Alright, let's get them open. Come on, guys. Come on, you. Get open. Alright, goodbye packaging. We're gonna open Cesaro. Come on. So I got Cesaro out of the packaging. The next packaging I'm gonna open up is Sheamus. Oh, let me move Cesaro right there so I can open Sheamus. Oh, come on, you. You know, I gotta say, you guys. Oh, let me move this. Oh crap, I dropped Cesaro. I dropped Cesaro. Alright, hold on you guys, let me pick him up. Alright, so Sheamus and Cesaro used to call themselves, they team up together, they call themselves the Bar. That's where they are. Sheamus and Cesaro, the Bar. But when Sheamus was injured, Cesaro was all alone. So that's where they have it, the Bar. Sheamus and Cesaro. Alright, the next unboxing will be the monster among men, Braun Strowman. He comes with his hands. I don't know what it's called. It comes with a Money in the Bank briefcase. As you see in the back is himself and the person that got Seth Rollins already. And so, yeah, he comes with his Money in the Bank contract. He used to be the Raw Tag Team Champion, but he's also the Intercontinental Champion. So let's get him out of the packaging. Let's get Braun Strowman out. Oh God, sorry guys. Let's get Braun Strowman out of the packaging. Come on, you. Goodbye, packaging. Let's get his hand out. Oh, I dropped the hand. Sorry, guys. Oh, boy, that was funny. Wow, look at that Money in the Bank contract. Look at that Money in the Bank contract. I can't believe it. It's all green. You know, that's the That's the main event contract what Brock Lesnar used to have. We tried to cash in on Seth Rollins. Is that violin? Oh, that thing. Oh god, this is kind of hard for me to repair this. Yeah, that actually makes sense. Now let's get Braun Strowman out of the packaging. Monster of my man, Braun Strowman. See, Braun Strowman head sculpt was really good, and that tattoo, it's kind of weird for you guys. There's no Superman tattoo, but so hey, leave a comment down below because it's WrestleMania season, and we have some main events going on. But the last one I have, bam! Oh god, hold on guys. Oh god, sorry guys. Keep dropping him. Hang on, you guys. It's kind of hard for me to. Alright. Look what I got, you guys. It is. It's kind of hard for me. Alright, so that's Drew McIntyre and Roman Reigns. WrestleMania 35. Comes with a WrestleMania 36 battle pack. Look at the back of the packaging. There's Rey Mysterio, Randy Orton, Daniel Bryan, and Kane. Roman Reigns and Drew McIntyre used to battle. Now they stopped battling each other. Now Roman has to move on to the Universal Championship. So let's get them open. Hold on. Everything's always like falling down. Where was I? Alright, let's get them out of the packaging. Bruh, how do I keep knocking them down? Sorry guys. I'm moving them back a little bit. That's actually a good idea to get enough space. Alright, so let's get them out of the packaging right now. Oh, whatever. They come with a WrestleMania 35 chair. Alright, so first, let's get Drew McIntyre. Get the Scottish Psychopath, the winner of 2020 Royal Rumble. He'll facing Brock Lesnar for the WWE Championship. Drew McIntyre. As you see, his hair is all the way in the front. But that's Drew McIntyre. That's who he really is. Alright, so let's get the WrestleMania 35 chair out. I gotta say, it looks like a sticker to me, but it's alright. Alright, y'all been waiting for this for a moment. The big dog, Roman Reigns. He defeated King Corbin at Super Showdown last Thursday. You should watch it at WWE Network when Roman Reigns knocked out with the big dog, delivers another Superman punch, and wins by pinfall. So, wow, I like that head sculpt of Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns' head sculpt was from WrestleMania 35 when he beat Drew McIntyre. And again, you cannot take the vest off because it's already part of it. They had put no logo, They didn't put the No Cancer logo on his glove. Since he beat Drew McIntyre, Roman Reigns, the Big Dog, that kind of looks like the same head sculpt. Just like the other Roman Reigns I have. Just like this kind of head sculpt of Roman Reigns. Since Roman Reigns beat Brock Lesnar for that Universal Championship with this attire. Well, I gotta say, that kind of looks good for his head sculpt. It would be best if Roman Reigns versus Braun Strowman. Roman, spear! Spear to Strowman. 1, 2, 3. Roman Reigns is the Big Dog, defending his yard. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching this is WrestleMania Seasons unboxing videos. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, Aaron Fail, aka the Big Dog, the current Universal Champion AJ Reigns. See you guys in the next video.